They say actions speak louder than words. But what does that really mean? Words are vibrations, easy to shape, easy to fake. Anyone can promise, anyone can preach. But action is energy in motion. It reveals the truth of who you are. The Bible says, "Let us not love with words or tongue, but with deeds and in truth." The Buddha said, "Not by speech alone is one wise, but by a life free from hate and fear." The Full Circle Path teaches your actions carve your energy into the world. They leave imprints deeper than any sentence you could speak. You can say, "I love," but only love in action heals. You can say, "I believe," but only belief in action transforms. Stop telling people who you are. Live it. Let your life be your loudest voice. This is the Full Circle Path. Follow for more warrior wisdom and life-changing truth.